Welcome friends. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis video, I will do technical analysis and I will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin right now. Friends, if you want to get crypto, if you want to earn crypto, then please subscribe my channel, because in this channel I post daily charts. I set daily Bitcoin trading targets in my daily Bitcoin technical analysis with highly accuracy. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus absolutely free, then go to in this video description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange and Bybit Exchange. Click on this link and create your Binance account with my affiliate link. In that case, after deposit, you can get $700 free vouchers. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus of Bybit, then click on this link and create your account. And after creating, you can get $1,600 bonus of Bybit Exchange, which is withdrawable and which is tradable too. And you can also get 25% special trading fees discount once you create your Binance trading account with my affiliate link. Friends, in this video, I will show you 7 very important charts and one chart that will change your thoughts. I am very certain on it. So please watch this video until end, because this is very important video. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Bitcoin can hit these 3 targets. I was set first target 32,172. My second target was 31,130, and my third target was 29,228, and at that time price was at near about 33,000. And here you can see how beautifully Bitcoin hit my both targets, and it goes down to near about 8.6% with 8.5%. with 10x leverage, it is 85% profit. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now what is next? Let me please arrange this chart and let me please remove these things. Friends, keep supporting me and please keep support this channel, because I will give you daily Bitcoin trading signals with highly accuracy and perfect charts. That is why I am saying this. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Bitcoin is creating this double top, and here you can see after creating double top, Bitcoin price goes down, and my last target is still remaining, and it is at $29,228. Now after hitting $30,000, Bitcoin is bouncing back, $30,150. After hitting $30,150, Bitcoin is bouncing back, and it is at $31,550. Now what is next? The main thing is that Bitcoin should have to hold this area. This is very important area for the Bitcoin. Why I am saying this and why it is very important, I will show you later in this video. So please watch this video until end. Now, this is our support line is at $31,150, and our resistance line is at now $32,180. This is now turning as a resistance right now for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin have to hold this zone $30,000. If Bitcoin lose this, in that case, $28,700 is our very strong spot. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. In 1 hourly EMA ribbon, candles are still far away from EMA ribbon. For upside movement, Bitcoin have to break this EMA ribbon and have to close hourly candle above $32,600. Until now, Bitcoin will move sideways or price will go down. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you the volume. Because of the holidays, there is very less volume. That is why Bitcoin is moving sideways. Let me please show you VPBR. VPBR, most of the towers are starting from $31,500 to $34,000. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for execution. Once Bitcoin break this area, $31,200, there are very less VPBR towers indicating that price can further go down. And once it break this area, $34,200, in that case, price of the Bitcoin will go up in very speedy way. Let me please hide this and let me please show you my first target. Bitcoin can hit $32,000 again because it will try to break EMA ribbon, I think so that Bitcoin can go to hit $32,000 again. But there is a strong resistance is waiting for the Bitcoin right now. Let me please set the targets. Once Bitcoin break this area, $31,100 area, in that case our first target is $30,000. This is our first target, and over $30,000 is the target, and our second target will be this area, $29,228, and our third target is waiting for the Bitcoin is that area, $28,652. Bitcoin price can go up to hit $32,000, I think so, $32,200, and after hitting this area, Bitcoin price will definitely go down to hit $30,000 again. If Bitcoin hold this area, then well and good. Otherwise, it will go down to hit $29,000, $28,800, $700 to $600 area. Why I am so bearish? Let me please show you. This is 4-hourly chart, and this is very strong pattern. Here you can see Bitcoin is in this descending channel. Bitcoin break this descending channel towards upside, but unfortunately Bitcoin, this was a fake out, and after that Bitcoin price goes down, and after that it is still in this channel, and after hitting $30,000 price bounce back, but Bitcoin still is in this descending channel, and Bitcoin have to break this descending channel in order to move towards upside. But there is also another pattern waiting for the Bitcoin, and this is the pattern. Let me please remove this. Bitcoin was break this descending wedge towards upside, but that was fake out, and after that Bitcoin is still struggling and still in this descending wedge. If Bitcoin break this towards upside, I think this is less likely. Bitcoin price can go down, I think so, and if Bitcoin break this towards downside, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to $23,500. Yes, my dear friends, Bitcoin can hit $23,500, and let me please put it on it, and here you can see Bitcoin is still in this descending channel, and the target of this descending channel, if Bitcoin break this towards downside, then in that case, here you can see it can go down to hit $23,000. This is second confirmation, and these are these two patterns indicating that maybe Bitcoin price will go down to hit 24,000 area. Let me please show you my third chart, but before this, let me please show you 4-hourly EMA ribbon. Bitcoin candles are very far away, very far below from this EMA ribbon, and this EMA ribbon is now turning as a resistance. Volume, 4-hour volume is not very good, and let me show you VPBR. VPBR strong tower is waiting for execution. Is at most of the buying and selling orders are waiting in this area, $36,000 and $33,000. The area starting from $32,000 to $37,000. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for execution. And let me please show you the RSI. For hourly RSI is at 40. If it goes down below 30, in that case price of the Bitcoin will speedy down. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and Bitcoin is in this still in this horizontal channel, this blue channel. And if Bitcoin hold this $30,000 support area, in that case well and good. Otherwise, if Bitcoin break this 30,000 area, in that case it can go down to hit this area, which is very less likely. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is at $39,800. For upside movement in daily chart, Bitcoin have to close daily candle above $40,000, otherwise it will be in sideways. Daily volume is very low, and VPVR towers are starting from this area, $30,000 to $40,000. This is the strong area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for execution. This is the RSI. Daily RSI is at 37. If it hit 30, in that case this will be the worst scenario. And let me please show you a very new chart which is which I think will change your mind. Let me please show you. This Bitcoin is in this rounding top pattern. First of all, let me please show you the pattern. Here you can see this is clear image. Bitcoin create this top in this pattern. Bitcoin or other currency, digital currency, or any crypto asset create top, and after that this will be the support zone. And once it break this, in that case you can enter in short trade, sell trade in that area. This is the entry area. And if we calculate the height of this pattern and the rounding pattern, then we have to set this target. And let me please show you how much Bitcoin can go down. That is why I am so bearish right now. This is rounding top pattern, and this is weekly chart. Here you can see Bitcoin break this top, Bitcoin make this top. Here you can see this is the curve, and price of the Bitcoin was rapidly moving towards upside, and after that Bitcoin was in this consolidation phase. But unfortunately Bitcoin price goes down, and after that this was the very strong area for the Bitcoin, $41,000 to $42,000. But unfortunately Bitcoin break this area, and now it is very crucial support for the Bitcoin is at $30,000 area. Bitcoin should have to hold this $30,000 area. If Bitcoin break this $30,000 area, and in that case you can open a short trade. That is not a financial advice, but this pattern is showing this, and this pattern is teaching us that Bitcoin market and crypto market is in bear mode. If Bitcoin price break this, in that case, if we calculate the height of this rounding top pattern from major support to major resistance area, and if we make this clone, let me please show you. Here you can see. And after that we have to put it at that area where this major support zone is. And now here you can see, if Bitcoin break this $30,000 support zone, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to hit $22,600. Let me please label on this. Yes friends, this is the target, but we have to wait. If Bitcoin could break $30,000 area and close weekly candle below this, in that case it is very much certain that Bitcoin price can hit $22,600 area. because Bitcoin price after hitting this very great support zone, strong support zone, goes up, but there is a resistance level is waiting for the Bitcoin is at $40,000. Here you can see Bitcoin price goes up and hit $41,000. Price goes up and hit $40,000. Again, Bitcoin price goes up $40,000 and again $41,000. And after that, after several touches, Bitcoin price moved towards downside according to this pattern, rounding top pattern. Here you can see prices goes up but rejected from that zone. If Bitcoin lose or other currency lose this area, in that case this will be the entry point and this will be the stop loss point and this will be the target. Let me please show you according to the Bitcoin chart. This will be the entry point, $30,000. This will be the target, $22,000, and this will be the stop loss, which is at $40,000, $41,000. According to this pattern, Bitcoin is very, very bearish. I was show you this pattern in my last video. Bitcoin is in this broadening broadening batch pattern, but I was told you that price can go down to hit this downtrend line, and here you can see how beautifully Bitcoin price goes down to hit my target. And I was told you that after hitting this zone, maybe price can move towards upside, and here you can see Bitcoin price is pulling back, and right now it is at $31,600. If in any case Bitcoin lose this and move towards the downside, in that case it can go down to hit this area, $21,500, $22,000 area. 3 confirmation, 3 different pattern showing us, teaching us that Bitcoin price can go down to $24,000 to $22,000 area. I will show you this chart in my one of my most important video. These yellow lines are Bitcoin halving, and Bitcoin halving was on 11th May. Here you can see, and I was told you that after every halving, Bitcoin price moves towards upside, and after that Bitcoin price goes down to retest this zone 1.6 Fibonacci level. Let me please show you. Here you can see Bitcoin price moved towards upside, and after halving, here you can see after halving, Bitcoin price moved towards upside and creating this top 2900, and after that Bitcoin price goes down to retest this zone 1.6 Fibonacci level, and after that Bitcoin, after retesting this, Bitcoin price bounced back and it give 10x. Here you can see after halving of 2012, Bitcoin price move. Let me please show you this. Here you can see. Let me please arrange this chart. This is the area. This is the 2012 halving. After halving, Bitcoin price moved towards upside, and after making this first stop, $2,270, Bitcoin price bounce. Bitcoin price goes down to retest this zone 1.6 Fibonacci level, and after touching this area is acting like support zone, and after that price goes up, and it was 20x. It gives 20x after hitting this area. After hitting 1.6 Fibonacci, Bitcoin gives 20x, which is very, very huge. This was 2012 after 2012 halving, and after in 2012 bull run, and this was in 2016 bull run. Bitcoin price goes to retest 1.6 zone. After halving, Bitcoin price goes up and make this top $3,000, and after that Bitcoin price retest 1.6 Fibonacci level, and after that Bitcoin price move towards upside, and after that Bitcoin give after that Bitcoin give 10x to its holders in 2016 bull run. 2012 bull run, Bitcoin price retest 1.6 level Fibonacci level, and after that it goes up to hit 20x. After in 2016 it retests 1.6 zone, and after that 10x, it gives 10x profit and price goes 10x. Now it is 2021. After halving 11 May 2020, Bitcoin price moved up in very speedy way and hit $65,000, and after that it is now retesting this zone 1.6 Fibonacci, which is at $30,000. Now Bitcoin price should have to bounce back from that zone. If I show you previous history, you can see 20x, 10x, and if Bitcoin make just 5x from that price, in that case Bitcoin price can easily hit $1,500,000. Yes, my dear friends, 150,000. Let me please show you my last chart. In my one of my previous video, I must show you this chart. This is death cat bounce pattern, and here you can see after this is the point 1 where price start falling, and after that this is death cat bounce and price bounce back to retest this horizontal resistance, but unfortunately it fails, and I must show you according to the pattern price of the Bitcoin will go down, and after that Bitcoin hit $30,000. These all patterns showing that Bitcoin is very, very bearish right now. We have to wait, and please do not use high leverage. And if you want any coins technical analysis, then comment section is open for you. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please thumbs up the like button for daily Bitcoin technical analysis and price targets. And if you want to get Binance and Bybit $2,300 bonus, go to in this video's description and click on Binance link and create your account, and after deposit you can get $700 free vouchers. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchange, then this is the link. Create your account. After hitting this link, create your account, and it will give you $1,600 bonus after deposit. And you can also get 25% special fees discount once you create your account with my affiliate link. My last words are that in Bitcoin daily of 1 hour the chart, Bitcoin can hit $32,000 again, but after that Bitcoin price will go down to hit my targets. 30,000 is my first target, 29,200 is my second target, and my third target is 28,652. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.